Hey everyone, today I'm going to walk you through how to join Shindo Live Discord server. If this helps you out, feel free to leave a like and subscribe. Alright, let's dive in. Now, first of all, just open your browser and type on the search bar Shindo Live Discord server. Okay, now just go on the first website, Rel Games. Just click on it. That's it. As you can see, I've been invited to join the server. Just click on accept as and you will join the server. Now, if you can't join the server through the direct link, go again on the browser, copy the link, go on Discord, go on the left side, click on add a server, scroll down, sorry, just click on join a server and paste the link over here and click on join server. Confirm you are human or not. Just click, and that's it. As you can see, that's how you can join uh, Shindo Live Discord server. Thanks for watching.